Welcome back to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and in this video, we've got the Rainbird UniSpray. It's just like a small spray head. I also have an 1800 here just to show you as comparison. Happens to have a hunter nozzle in it, but look at the difference. This is the UniSpray. This is the Pro Spray. I'm sorry, not the Pro Spray, the 1800. What am I talking about? This isn't a hunter video. This is the 1800 sprinkler next to the UniSpray. So you can see that the UniSpray is a much smaller profile, so it can be more easily hidden in the landscape, maybe in smaller, tight corner areas, odd shaped places where you don't want to see the big top of the 1800 spray. And it only comes in this one size. This is just a 4-inch pop-up height, only comes in this one size. Doesn't have a lot of these other sort of features like check valves and pressure regulations and seal-o-matic. It's just your very, very basic 4-inch pop-up spray head. It does fit any, I'll just hold that up there, it does fit any Rainbird nozzle from the like van nozzles, MPR nozzles, rotating nozzles. It fits all Rainbird's nozzles, as well as any other female threaded nozzle, because you've got the male threads here, so it'll fit hunter nozzles and irregular nozzles, but won't fit the Toro nozzles. So that's the UniSpray. You know, that's this orange cap, if you're not familiar, is called a flush plug, and that allows you to turn the zone on and flush out any dirt and shavings and stuff that might get in your line before you put the nozzle on. So you want to make sure, if you are installing a system new, or if you've replaced your system with a head that may have broken, that you flush the line out first, then put your nozzle on. Otherwise you might get debris that gets stuck in the nozzle. And let's just take it out of the cylinder for good measure so you can see what it looks like on the inside. There's the spring. Let's take a look at the bottom. Nothing fancy to report or show inside. No check valves, no flow stop. It is just your very, very basic, lightweight, low profile, easy to install, all that stuff, no frills spray head. Rainbird UniSpray. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. And if you're watching this on sprinklersupply.store.com, you can contact us by phone, chat, email, text message, ask us anything. We're here to help you. And I think that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. Happy sprinkling.